Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's the best for you as a student, MacBook or iPad. So here, after try to browse what's the best for me. So you have to remember what is the best for you. For example, if you mobile, you can consider the iPad. So this is easier to carry, like a device on the go. So because iPads are actually smaller, lighter device than MacBooks, and also the iPad can turn into laptop when you want it to. So you have to purchase the Bluetooth keyboard and mice separately, so you can connect wirelessly with your iPad. So you feel like you have to spend don't feel like you have to spend extra on MacBook. So you have got to log around just so you can type on keyboard and use a mouse. And here we go, really easy to charge, of course, and doesn't cost an arm and leg. Thank you for what hi-fi.com inspire me to choose iPad. But back, if you're mobile person, if you're student with a want to move quickly, you have to consider to purchase the iPad. But if you have a specific field of study, this is thank you macusoff.com. So before you make your decision, think about what you are looking for in device as a student. So maybe for instance, if you are majoring in computer science or engineering, it involves a lot of coding. So here you can use Mac OS compared to iPad, so you need Mac instead of iPad. The accessories, so you have to consider it, and of course the budget. So as a student, you're probably looking for a device that doesn't cost much and will last a long time. So you can compare by your region. In your region, what's the cheapest that you can afford, and of course the performance. Here, in terms of storage option, both devices offer similar choices. However, one advantage for MacBook user is the ability to configure the unlimited memory RAM. So, while purchasing, allowing for 16GB or even 24GB configuration, so enhancing the device performance for more demanding application and multitasking. So this is maybe better to bring MacBook instead of iPad. And of course the battery life. All iPad models boost 10 hours of web browsing, and Apple claims that MacBook Air models can handle up to 18 hours of video playback and 15 hours of wireless web surfing. So although an iPad battery life is quite impressive given its size, the MacBook single-handedly wins the battery debate. Yeah. Portability, like I mentioned before. So if you find yourself sprinting from one part of the campus to other, purchasing a lightweight device you can carry around everywhere is this iPad. Since the iPad will use all your books in one place and so on, so it's lighter. And here we go. So the bottom line, it's depend what you plan to do with the device. If you're looking for a lightweight touchscreen device that can match the capabilities of laptop to some extent, an iPad is best suited for you. On the other hand, a MacBook will be a better choice if you worry about app compatibility issues and battery life. And don't forget that you could end up paying more for an iPad. So, choice is yours. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, or click the button below. See you in the next video.